अरे ये तो वैसा लगता ही नहीं है, अरे ये तो वैसी है ही नहीं, आई वॉन्ट देम टू रिलेट टू द दादी, टू द मदर, टू द लिटिल ब्रदर, to the South wala Padosi also. So creating this entire set and putting all of it together has taken the shit out of me. I've literally lost it all. Only when once the show goes on air and people start watching it, if they watch it, that means they like the promo. If they don't, that means they didn't. I will only know then. I just took it one step at a time, and I just want the best of the people and people who are really hardworking on the team. And later on, there were a lot of lizards in the house, so I called for pest control. So when we did pest control, they pulled the bed ahead, and I saw, oh my god, and I'm like, what is this?
वेल टेलीविजन की बबली क्वीन, या ये कहें टेलीविजन की एक ऐसी खास अदाकारा, या ये कहें एक ऐसी अदाकारा जो पंजाबी सिनेमा में इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट सेलिब्रिटीज। जी हाँ दोस्तों, सरगुन मेहता, जिन्होंने म्यूजिक वीडियोस कर ली हैं, जिन्होंने टीवी सीरीज कितने करे हैं, जिन्होंने पंजाबी मूवीज कितनी सारी करी हैं, उनकी क्राफ्ट को हमने देखा है। आज वो बन के आ रही है सामने एक नए किरदार को लेकर। उन्होंने डॉन किया है द हैट ऑफ अ प्रोड्यूसर अलोंग विद हस्बैंड रवि दुबे, और आज उडारिया के इस खुशी के मौके पे वो हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगी द रीजन बिहाइंड चूजिंग दिस कास्ट, द रीजन बिहाइंड हैविंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट एज द बिगिनिंग प्रोजेक्ट, यानी कि ओपनिंग प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन हाउस, एंड अ लॉट मोर इनसाइट्स अबाउट दिस न्यू सीरीज। तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं सरगुन मेहता को और जानते हैं what does she have to say about her life, her career, and also Udaria. Well, Sargun, it's a pleasure having you back on Telechakra, and congratulations for such a new venture, such a beautiful journey. It's the heartiest congratulations, firstly.
Thank you, Vishaka. Thank you so much.
Ravi and Sargun are like, no, what next? And you guys have just been, just expanding yourself to another level. What do you have to tell about this new venture now?
We've pushed our boundaries with this one. कुछ कहानियां ऐसी होती हैं जब आप उनके बारे में सोचते हो, आपको लगता है यार आई वांट टू शेयर इट विद द वर्ल्ड। एंड ये ऐसी एक कहानी थी, जब मेरे दिमाग में आई तो मुझे लगा नहीं यार, आई थिंक दैट people on television are really going to enjoy this content, and we have our own voice, we have our own way of telling a story. You are going to get our style of telling a story, and what I have experienced in Punjab, and experience Punjab with us firsthand every day, because it's the first time that an entire show is going to be shot here.
The cast is pretty much very believable. It is quite relatable. And Ravi told me that, it was very difficult for you to cast them. It was very difficult to have the act people out there. So what was the reason behind choosing these three characters as your lead people?
Yeah, I didn't want to cast people who would act a lot. I wanted non-actors. I wanted raw people who felt like the character, whose vibe was exactly the same as the characters that we've written. Because I think when you're doing it every day now, you can't, you can sometimes lose the plot. But when you are the character, you add so much more to it. So all of our actors, जितना हमने उन्हें लिखा है, उन्होंने उतना तो निभाए, उससे ऊपर ही निभाया. Secondly, we wanted very believable people. I didn't want people to say कि अरे ये तो वैसा लगता ही नहीं है, अरे ये तो वैसी है ही नहीं. I want them to relate to the दादी, to the mother, to the little brother, to the South wala Padosi also. So every character was thought of, every character's journey is thought of, every character's backstory is thought of. So we personally made sure that the casting was according to the characters and not only according to the acting skill. Or I didn't care about famous, not famous. I didn't care about who they were. I cared about how close they were to the character. And I thought that this kind of a show, you need raw energy. And that's what we have in all of them. And we love it. We love it here on the set.
हम लोग सेट पे आते हैं, सरगुन दीदी कील ठोक रही होती है. हम लोग कहीं जाते हैं, सरगुन दीदी काम कर रही होती है. तो सरगुन, are you a producer or are you a crew member? What exactly are you there? Because it's very sweet of how they are just smitten by you.
See, I'll tell you what the thing is that this is the first time an entire show is going to be set up here in Chandigarh. We've taken up a responsibility that's mammoth. It's not just a small this thing. So creating this entire set and putting all of it together has taken the shit out of me. I've literally lost it all. And because people here don't know how you do it, you got to train every person to do it. You got to have every man on the job. And since the show has been my brainchild, it has been like I have imagined each and everything. I just feel that I need to put that in everything. So whether it is the cushion that you see on the set, like from the smallest thing as a cushion or a doorknob to the biggest thing on the set, I have personally bought it. It's just, I don't know. I mean, at that time, of course, I thought I was pushing the boundaries and I was going way too far. I had like a keen eye on everything, but I just felt that I needed to know it and I needed to do it myself. I needed to have a experience of it firsthand so that the next time when I'm giving it to somebody, nobody can make a fool out of me. And I know how the job is done. And till the time you don't do it yourself, you never learn the job.
Fans का response कैसा रहा when they saw the promo, when they saw how you guys are promoting, how Badshah got involved in the whole thing? What was their response?
I keep asking people, what is your response? Because I don't know. I mean, of course, the fans are very excited, and because they're our fans, they have been very, very kind to us, and they're all praises of what is happening and all of that. But I keep, every time somebody comes on my set, I'm like, "Aapko kaisa laga?" How do you like it? Because you're an audience, and you're unbiased. You're not my fan. Like, there are some people who are not, like, maybe they don't have a fondness for us as such, and they would tell us the truth. So I keep asking, kaisa laga? Tell us na. So that I know the real this thing. But I think I'm never going to know. Only once the show goes on air and people start watching it. If they watch it, that means they like the promo. If they don't, that means they didn't. I will only know then.
But then do you think that being an actor and now being a producer, it's like a plus point for you guys? क्योंकि आपको पता है चीजें कैसी चलती हैं, क्या चीजें fans को hit कर सकती हैं right spot पे? Do you think that's a plus point for you people?
I mean, there are people who have been producing shows for the longest time. The channels itself have been passing shows and putting them on air for the longest time. But they also can't take guarantee of a project. They are going to try and sell something that works. But at the end of the day, it might work, it might not work. I think I don't think I've ever focused on the idea of a TRP as of now. I just took on the job one thing at a time. Okay, अभी क्या करना है? Script लिखनी है. Okay, let me write. I gave it my all. अभी क्या करना है? Set बनाना है. Okay, let me give it my all. अभी क्या करना है? Casting करनी है. Okay, I just took it one step at a time, and I just want the best of the people and people who are really hardworking on the team to give in their best effort. Whatever happens beyond that, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ जब मैं फिल्म भी करती हूँ, that हर फिल्म हर प्रोजेक्ट अपनी किस्मत लिखवा के आता है. So ये अपनी किस्मत लिखवा के आया होगा और जो भी इसकी किस्मत में होगा सर आंखों पर है. There is no issue, but we are going to give our 100%.
Okay, so I actually was asking Ravi about you when we showed him a video about you, Sargun, and he said कि Sargun सब कर सकती है. You name it and she can do it. But one thing that Sargun can't do would be, Sargun, if you would want to tell us.
I can't go on a diet, and I can't be hungry, and I can't stop talking loudly in a public place, which Ravi hates.
So we showed him a song, गाना बजाने वाली एक video
I can't sing. I can sing, which is why I didn't say that. He thinks I can't sing, but I can sing.
मैंने उनसे पूछा था कि जब बादशाह गाने रैप करने आए थे, तो आपको क्या लगता है सरगुन ने उनसे वो माइक छीन लिया होगा? What was the BTS there? So he's like, I would love to know because I know she would have done that thing. So what was the story behind there?
Nothing. I just kept telling Badshah that you don't worry. The next song, that whatever song you want to do next, I'll do it free for you. I'll sing with you. Don't worry. I gave him an open offer.
And what was his response?
He said, yes, sure, why not?
Ravi as a partner, Ravi as a friend, which one would you choose?
Ravi as a partner. Ravi as a husband, I mean.
And I got to know a very close thing from somebody very close to you and Ravi, कि रवि को चॉकलेट खा के आपसे छुपाने की आदत है बेड के पीछे उसके रैपर्स. How true is that?
Yeah, this happened when we had just gotten married, and I kept telling him, "आप पूरी रात chocolates और chips खाते हो. You're going to get fat and all of that. You don't have to do that in the night. Don't do it." So that I don't come to know, I got up the next day and I said, "अरे वाह, no rappers. लड़का सही हो गया यार. 2 दिन, 4 दिन, 5 दिन, 6 दिन, nothing in the dustbin." Also, I'm like, oh, he's improved. This is fine. And later on, there were a lot of lizards in the house. So I called for pest control. So when we did pest control, they pulled the bed ahead, and I saw, oh my god, and I'm like, what is this? And I asked Ravi, what the hell? And he's like, I had to hide from you, so I just kept throwing them at the back. I said, what? They were never going to come out or what? It was really dumb.
Okay, what are the parting words जो आप fans को कहना चाहेंगे, because वो बहुत excited हैं उडारिया के लिए, आप लोगों को वहाँ as producers अपना काम ace करते हुए देखने के लिए.
Just that we've done our best, 100% दे दिया, and now हमारी उडारियाँ कितनी ऊंची होंगी ये decide करेंगे आप. 15 मार्च से 7 PM every Monday to Saturday. We're so excited.
Thank you so much. I wish the two of you all the luck, Sargun. It's a pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Manita, and I really hope कि सरगुन की बातें सुनकर आप लोग भी उतना ही entertain हुए होंगे जितना मैं उनसे बात करके हुई हूँ. Until then, आप लोग उडारियाँ देखना ना भूलिएगा. And this is me signing off for now. You stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.